UPJ obstruction or uretropelvic junction obstruction is a condition where blockage occurs at the junction where the ureter attaches to the kidney. This results in decreased flow of urine down the ureter and an increase of fluid pressure inside the kidney. Increased pressure inside the kidney can over time cause deterioration of the kidney function. If not treated in time, it can damage the kidney completely. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. Uretropelvic junction obstruction may appear in children due to a congenital abnormality or even in adults following any previous surgery or any other medical condition that causes inflammation of the upper urinary tract. The symptoms of UPG obstruction are the renal pelvis of the kidneys are both are dilated, that is hydronephrosis, abdominal, back or flank pain, frequent urinary tract infections, edema and swelling around the eyes, feeling of lump in the abdomen, poor or retarded growth in infants, fever, rashes and vomiting, bloody urine or frequent diarrhea, an abnormal urine output. Your healthcare consultant in India: CMCS Health. How UPJ obstruction is diagnosed? If hydronephrosis is observed in a developing fetus during a routine prenatal ultrasound, doctor in charge for delivery of the child will do more periodic ultrasound to keep a close vigil on any complication arising of the present medical condition. Many times this medical condition is resolved on its own once the child is born, but the doctor may do following tests after a few weeks of the birth of the child: creatinine clearance, blood urea nitrogen, CT scan, electrolytes, CT urogram, nuclear scan of the kidneys, and voiding cystourethrogram. Ultrasound, of course. What causes UPG obstruction in adults? The reasons for UPG obstruction in adults may be due to scar tissues, infections, any previous surgery, or renal calculi, that is kidney stones. The other reasons may be a previous renal pelvic trauma, obstructing calculus immediately distal to PUJ, previous pyelitis with scarring, intrinsic malignancy like upper tract urothelial carcinoma, and extrinsic ureter compression due to fibrosis, crossing vessel at PUJ, and an underlying malignancy. Treatments of UPJ obstruction in India. Most cases of UPJ obstruction actually do not require surgery and resolve on their own. However, if the patient exhibits pain, recurrent infections, evidence of worsening function or increasing swelling, they may require a surgery called a pyeloplasty to prevent kidney injury and correct the blockage. Robotic surgery can be performed through 3 small keyholes incision in the abdomen and is associated with a shorter hospitalization, decreased pain following surgery, and quicker recovery. For queries related to treatment of UPJ obstruction, contact us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971986258.